right? So first chapter of your syllabus, that is the introduction of Java. First question comes in my mind, what is Java, right? Then what is the Java? Java is a general purpose language, and that is the object oriented programming language. We have heard already this word, object oriented programming language. Yes? Then C++, that is also object oriented programming language. Yes or no? C++ is also object oriented programming language, right? Then C, that is the procedure oriented programming language. In short, we are saying POP, right? So now Java is a general purpose object oriented programming language, right? That is developed by the Sun Microsystem in 1991, right? At USA, that is found. Okay? Generally, it is called as the oak, right? Generally, it is called as oak, right? Then, what is the use of Java? Now we are going to see what is the use of Java. Java is developed for the software development. Java is developed for the software development for the electronic devices like TV, VCRs, toasters, right? etc. For the electronic devices, right? Now, it is also used for the web and Windows application, web and Windows applications and the mobile application. Okay, for the mobile application developing, we are also using the Java. Okay, so now the goal of the strong impact of this language, that is to make a simple, portable and reliable, right? This is it. So basically goal of this strong impact of this language, that is to make it simple, portable and reliable. See, we are saying that the C++ is the object-oriented programming language. And Java is also object-oriented programming language. Then what is the difference between them? The main difference is that the C++ it's not a pure object-oriented programming language. Okay, so C++ is also followed by the procedure and functions, right? So Java is a strictly object-oriented programming language. It follows only the class and object. Okay, understood? On detail we are seeing later, but that is the main difference between C++ and Java. Okay, now we are going to say what is the difference between C++ and Java. Okay, so what is the difference between C++ and Java? Then this is it. C++ is a platform dependent, right? Whereas the Java is a platform independent. That is the main difference, platform dependent and platform independent. Okay, C++ is mainly used for the system programming, whereas the Java is mainly used for the application programming. We have also learned for the application, that means the web application, Windows application and the mobile application, we are using generally Java. Okay, now C++ supports goto statement. We have already learned about it. Goto statement to jump and go for the loop, right? Then Java doesn't support the goto statement. C++ support the multiple inheritance, and Java doesn't support the multiple inheritance. To use the multiple inheritance in Java, we have introduced the interface. Okay, using that we can develop the multiple inheritance. Okay, got it? Then C++ supports the operator overloading, whereas the Java doesn't support the operator overloading. C++ supports the pointer. We have seen the pointer program in C++, right? Whereas the Java supports the pointer internally. That means using pointer, we cannot write any program in Java. Simply, we can say it's not fully supported by the pointer. Okay, now the C++ uses the compiler only. That means what? The source code to machine code, right? So machine code is found from the source code using compiler. Okay, so Java uses the compiler and the interpreter, right? For compiler means what? Source goes to destination code. And the interpreter means what? It converts into the particular code. We are saying in Java that is the bytecode, right? So first from the source code to bytecode and bytecode to machine code. Okay, right? Now the C++ supports the structure and union. Okay, whereas the Java doesn't support structure and union. Okay, C++ support the destructor, whereas the Java has replaced the destructor in place of function with the finalized. That means we can say the finalized function is used in place of destructor in Java. Okay. Now the C++ doesn't support the documentation comment, right? We are writing in the C++ the comment, right? But we cannot write the documentation comment in a C++. Whereas the Java support it. Using this, we are able to write the comment, documentation comment. Okay, slash star star, then your comment, then star slash. Okay, the next, the C++ supports the header file. Obviously, we have seen the iostream.h, right? So that is nothing but the input-output stream header file, right? And the Java doesn't support the header files. Okay. So now next, the C++ support the default argument, and Java doesn't support the default arguments. Okay.